Fix it right with
Buddy the Screwdriver.
Disney Junior.
I got the pyramid in my hand.
Justin, you get back here right now!
No, stop it! No, not time! Wait. Hold on. Easy, little boy. Okay, stop, child. Stop right there. Go! No. Oh, there he goes.
I've got him!
Outrage in Egypt tonight as it was discovered that the Great Pyramid of Giza had been stolen and replaced by a giant inflatable replica. There is panic throughout the globe as countries and citizens try to protect their beloved landmarks. Law enforcement still has no leads, leaving everyone to wonder which of the world's villains is responsible for this heinous crime, and where will he strike next?
Hola, Kelly.
Oh, hi, Manny.
Hi, Mr. Lopard.
Oh, hello, Manny.